This na your guest still talk and na social life news for inside Pidgin News Network. Now the police story dey come from so. As the thing come be so, e be like say the blood wey be say for the center of our two Nigerian popular artists wey be Davido and Burna Boy don dirty well o, and the thing don begin dey smell come out sef because both of them don enter their social media page, don begin dey shake their feather come for their hand. As the thing come dey go, the Afropop singer and songwriter wey be Davido don come out talk for inside his social media page say he dey announce a new project wey he talk say go come out by July. He even don dey show different photo dem wey be say he put for inside his Instagram page to show the tori say true him song or him album dey come out soon. You know, to be say he put the story about him project, and so Burna Boy too come inside social media come dey talk say the month of July go dey very funny well o, say and he dey wait to laugh well for inside that month. Na so Davido as he come see this matter, na so he quick come answer the matter for inside the social media, say he come put him picture him and Wizkid. He come talk say na two of them be the greatest, say na two of them be the ogidigbo guys wey be say they dey for the music corner, say na two of them be the shashan boy wey be say they dey for the music corner. As the thing come be so my people, he come be like say the thing come become thing now, but that boy sef no fit sleep. Na so he come wake up come begin dey answer again on top the matter. Na so he come go put for inside, he come go put on that tori again on top the assurance corner say you Davido wey no sabi play football, say everybody know say you no fit play football. He say you be embarrassment to the team. He say you no sabi play football and yet your papa go buy the football team. Say na wow for you. Now come dey talk say which kind tori be this? Wetin come carry music matter and Burna Boy and Davido come put inside football matter be say the father buy. Na wow, this our celebrity. Make una take am easy o. This na your girl still talk and na social life news for inside Pidgin News Network. Now they bring story dey come from so.